IP Pilot is a market intelligence platform for IP law firms, which has the most comprehensive data on patent and trademark representations. We provide the information needed to plan and accelerate your IP business development activities at any stage. With IP Pilot, you can get unique insights about filing or case exchange strategies of your potential partners, competitors, or clients. Estimate which associates are sending patent or trademark cases to your jurisdiction, conduct instant reciprocity analysis, and even reveal whether IP law firms or their clients were behind the instructions of referral work. Importantly, this is all possible within a single interface that combines intuitive navigation and endless flexibility. Let's get started. Imagine you want to identify the potential partner firms from the US that send most patent cases to your jurisdiction, the UK, for example. To do so, click on the standard search and specify that you want the list of the law firms from the US that send cases to law firms filing in Great Britain between 2017 and 2022. For business trips, you can also search for law firms from a specific city or nearby address. You can also apply multiple constraints, such as IPCs, legal states, technical fields, and so on, to adjust search criteria to your needs. One of the highlights here is the decision maker constraint. By setting the decision maker equal to the law firm, you can easily estimate the number of cases for which the receiving law firms in Great Britain were chosen by the American representatives and not their applicants. One click, and here is the list of law firms and the number of filings they sent to associates in the UK. What is also important, you can switch from PAT to TM to reveal how many trademark cases were sent to the UK. Or even to IP, to see values for both categories. No need to navigate among various databases anymore. We already have it all in one place. By using Add Chart functionality, you can also get, for instance, the list of clients on behalf of which the US firms referred work and the list of your potential competitors. Just refresh the search to update results. Similarly, you can always search for potential clients to target. All the functionality remains. Now, let's deep dive into the IP law firms and applicants' profiles to analyze their filing or case exchange strategies. The overview contains general information about the characteristics and filing behavior of the firm. Here you can see the filing trends. Immediately identify whether the firm works with local or foreign applicants. Get the list of its important clients and the technological specialization of the firm. You can always adjust the information on the profile to your specific needs by clicking on any graph or table entries and changing the time frame or the year type. All the data on the profile will be automatically adjusted to meet your preferred filtering criteria. Of course, you can get a complete picture of a law firm portfolio by navigating among patents, trademarks, and IP analytics. Once on IP, you can easily spot, for instance, whether a representative has a particular focus on a certain category, patents or trademarks, for each of the top clients. In that sense, it will also be helpful to review your clients to identify diversification opportunities. Let's switch now to the case exchange. To avoid double counting of multiple applications in the same patent family, we use cases and not filings as our units here. In this section of the profile, you can find the information about the law firm's orientation of the business, inbound or outbound, and understand where the cases originated from or where they were sent. Further, you can analyze in detail the inbound and outbound case exchange charts. Besides, you can instantly do a reciprocity analysis by spotting the balancing trends in the important partners chart. On top, the Decision Maker bar can always help you to understand whether the applicant or the law firm representing priority filing initiated the case exchange. It is always beneficial to choose only the cases where the law firm was responsible for selecting foreign partners to see the actual case exchange behavior of a law firm. In addition to overview and case exchange, you can also find the list of attorneys working with a specific applicant or a particular foreign destination once the relevant filters are active. Besides, you can always access the more detailed bibliographic information about the individual filings. Let's now briefly review a typical applicant profile. Overall, the information provided in the Overview, Filings, or Attorneys tab is very similar to the law firm profile. The main difference comes in case exchange. Here, you can get an immediate idea about the applicant's network of representatives, starting from the first level or priority firms to the second level or firms taking over the referral work on the international stage. The case flowchart, in that case, has only an outbound perspective. Always keep in mind filtering. You can limit the data shown on the profile to a specific location or jurisdiction and identify whether an applicant had a decisive role in selecting foreign partners to understand whom to target. This was a brief overview of the critical features of IP Pilot.